Oh, good morning, guys. Leslie at Inskeep Bakers. Oh, I am not ready for fall and winter at all. I mean, it's only like 50 degrees, but to me, I might as well be frozen at that temperature. Oh, so I went to bed, I don't know, just after midnight last night, and Eldred had 4 piglets. We're gonna go out and check on her, see how many we've got. The wild turkeys are making their way across the path out there. Oh, maybe it wouldn't be so bad if that breeze wasn't there, but oh, let's see. Wild turkeys are out there. Good morning, Mama. What do we got in here? Doesn't look like very many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully you don't have any squished under there. One of these was not born last night. Female. Female. You. That one was not born last night. I see 4 females and a male. Are we really done already? Just 5 babies? I'll have to check when she gets up to eat breakfast, but I can't believe there's only 5. Huh. Are you supervising, Kitty? Really, Mama? Really? Okay. Oh, I am going to do my morning chores and give everybody their breakfast. What'd you think, Mama? Yeah? Did you get up and eat breakfast? So, there's 5 piglets. Luckily, there wasn't any underneath of her or anything, like she had squished any. I'm thinking that most likely because she escaped and Thor only bred her once, is my reasoning on why I think there's just 5. I didn't really think about that. I guess in hindsight we should have just kind of left the 2 of them together for a little bit. Have a few more babies, but 5 is better than none, right? What are you doing? Oh, good morning, guys. It's a bit chilly this morning. Battery died yesterday and I just didn't get back in the house to get a new one. So I did not get in the garden yesterday to get anything harvested, and we had a frost overnight, so I need to get out there today and get all of the tomatoes, and hopefully the peppers aren't too bad if there is anything left out there. I know there's a lot of tomatoes, but frost I don't think will hurt them too much because I'm just gonna throw them in jars and can them. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna do chores. So the wild turkeys are out in the hayfield. Not sure what else we're gonna do today. Guess we can run over and check on Piglets real quick. You just stay there, Mama. Just coming to see those babies. Hi, Eldred. How you doing, honey? Oh. Hey, I don't have food. I just want to move your... There you go. Now you can see me, huh? Yeah. Good girl. What you think, babies? You staying warm? Don't worry, it's gonna warm back up now. What? Yeah, it's a cat following me around. Shivering, Mom. Give him some straw to lay down in, huh? Whoa. Oh, all right. I'm sure she wants breakfast, so. Hi, kitty. I'm gonna do some chores. All right, well, I failed to pick up the camera for, I don't know, a day, 2 days. So I figured I'd take you guys for a walk around just to kind of finish this video. Hi, ladies. What are you doing? They still have a lot to eat, but they've done a pretty good job so far with all the stuff on the dirt pile there. What's up? Oh, you guys are too cute. Oh, I picked tomatoes, not yesterday, the day before, and got 3 of those big gray tubs. Neighbor brought us some wood from a tree they cut down. It's still green, so we gotta go dump that out back. It was already split, but I put it into smaller pieces just for when we need a small fire, just to warm the house up a little bit. I split some wood the other day that was, it's already up and split from last year, but basically kind of did it down more to like a kindling. And I think that's when I hurt my shoulder. Is she in heat now? Yeah, you're acting like it, huh? Yes, she is. Yeah. Tail wagging. That's flagging. Dirty boy. Scotty, who should already be bred. I'll show you who else I've... Hi, Biscotti. Yeah, I think I put her with some muck butt this morning, but we'll see. Oh, who else have I moved? I think Catherine's pen. You guys have seen everybody in here. Sugar, Sangria. He was chasing Foxy around this morning, and Rosie, oops, is in there behind him. Hi, Shugs. And we still have Treble. Ritz is laying over in the corner. I can't hardly see it on camera. I did put Maple in here. Hi, Obi. For her to be bred before she leaves. I'm just trying to keep an eye on Ghost, but see if he actually gets the job done. We'll walk over here and look at these guys. I have been trying to be a little more diligent in writing down heats. It helps having Ghost over here because when they're in heat, they're all along the fence. He's over there trying to swoon her. A whole lot has changed in here. Bless you. Other than taking a few does out here and there. Alright. Ghost and Bean just did the deed. Of course, he's still chasing her around. Put that in my calendar. And Obi was just over here chasing Maple around a little bit. So they should have both of their does hopefully kidding right about the same time. Who else? Well, I don't think I had shown you guys yet. Over here in Artie's pen, I added Snickers. I did put one more breeding pen together. I don't think I've shown you guys this at all. It's only been, I think, a couple days, so. Mr. Mac with Vanellope. Jason calls her Ears. And Kit Kat. Hi, guys. What's up, bud? Crazy Goat sliced her belly open. I really thought she was going to be trying to escape this pen, but she's been okay so far. Knock on wood. Hi, Kitty Cat. She's like, not Kitty Cat, just Kit Kat. Huh. Oh, speaking of kitties, you are driving me insane. Alright. Well, I don't think we're going to see cows or the other two pigs over here because they are at the back of the hayfield. Both cows and the two pigs. So I guess we'll just go in and see the piglets. Oh, and wrap this up. Oof. Hi, Mama. You gonna feed the babies? Look at how cute they are. Is it gonna run from me? Really? Look at all the spots. I love the little baby floppy ears. Huh. Little baby floppy ears. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Oof. Big flop. I think the second one right here in is the boy. Yeah. Look at you with your little ears sticking out. Can you not get comfy or what? Whoa. We did have a couple of them out wandering around outside the shelter. You guys are just too cute. Alright, well, that's it guys. Have a good day. See ya on the next one.